Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna use the metro rail system in Bangladesh. Hope you enjoy. Our plan is to start from Motirjil station and go all the way to the last station, that is the Uttar North station. We have arrived at the Motirjil metro station. The first phase of MRT Line 6 commenced commercial operations on December 28, 2022. There are long queues for tickets, but luckily I have my Rabbit Pass, which is preloaded, so we can just walk into the terminal. You can get your Rapid Pass at metro rail stations, BRTC counters, and certain branches of Dutch Bangla Bank. Our train is here. The metro reduces travel time from Uttar to Motirjil to about 38 minutes, a journey that previously took over 2 hours by road. Unfortunately, there are no vacant seats. The trains are designed to run at a maximum speed of 100 km per hour. Each train can accommodate up to 2,300 passengers, facilitating the movement of approximately 60,000 passengers per hour once fully operational. Passenger flow is increasing. Masking up. The MRT Line 6 spans approximately 20.1 kilometers, connecting Uttara to Motirjil with 16 planned stations. Plans are underway to extend the metro network with additional lines, including MRT Line 1 and MRT Line 5, aiming for a comprehensive system by 2030. We have arrived. So far, this experience was really awesome. When I was going from Motirjil to Uttara, but when I was going from Uttara to Karam Bazar, there was a lot of people, so it made my experience really uncomfortable. Other countries, my country's metro is the best so far. One main factor of the metro was it is very clean. So please keep this clean for the next generation.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content.